Today we will see how to make a water level indicator. This video is sponsored by jlcpcb.com. It offers 5 PCBs for $2. Click on quote now and upload your Gerber files. It will automatically check the size as well as the layers of your board. It will offer you with different features and options like PCB quantity, PCB thickness, PCB color, surface finish like HSL with lead free HSL and gold plated. It will also give you option to choose from the copper weight, gold fingers, paneling, fly probe test. JLC PCB also offers SMD assembly and stencil features. Click on Save to Cart to proceed to the next page. Here you can again check your options which you have selected finally and click on Checkout securely. This page will show you the shipping information, shipping method which you can choose from. Finally, you need to click on Continue after checking the shipping method you want. Then submit the order with either pay directly or review. Payment can be done accordingly and the products will be shipped to you as per your shipping method selected. This is the PCB which I have generated from the JLC PCB, and this is the 2-layer circuit diagram of the PCB along with the layout. Now the components. First is ULN2003A. It's a IC which is very helpful and reduce a lot of components. These are the LEDs which are required, 7 of them, or different colors, whichever you want to choose. These are the IC socket which will be soldered on the PCB so that we can remove and add IC later if it's get damaged. Now we will also require some 330 ohm resistors for the LED so that they are safe and not burnt out. What we will do is we will first fix all the resistors in place and solder them accordingly. Now, as you can see that we have soldered all the resistors in place except one just next to the IC. Now we'll remove the excess connectors of all the resistors. You should remove them so that it becomes flush to the surface of the backside of the PCB so that it sits flat on the surface. Now we will fix the IC sockets. Make sure that you check the orientation of the IC socket. I was not having a 16 pin dip socket, so I used two 8-pin dip sockets and connected them together to make a 16 pin. If you have a 16 pin, you can add a 16 pin socket also. Now we will solder all the socket pins to the PCB. Just to make sure that it is level, we'll put a tic tac for that. And I would like to thank Julian Litt for this idea. The socket has been soldered and it's fixed properly without any issue, as you can see. Now we'll fit the IC in it. Do make sure that you check the orientation of the IC before you fix it, otherwise you will burn the IC. Now we will check the LEDs which we need to fix. So first we will check the blue LED to check that it's working, and it's blue. Yes, it's blue. So now we'll place the LED in its position where we want. next LED. It is green. Place it in its place. Like this, we'll place other LEDs and start soldering them. Now I will just make sure that all the LEDs are flush to the PCB. They are flushed. Now I will remove the legs of the LEDs. I have kept the legs a little bit longer so that if required I can change the LED, but at the end I will remove the excess legs also. This is how the three LEDs look. The top one is blue and the bottom 3/4 and half are green. Now I will put the red LEDs also. I couldn't find the transparent red LEDs, so I got the red, literally red LEDs. I will solder the red LEDs. Now soldered. Now I will remove the legs also. This is how at the end it will look after putting the IC. Now I have left the R8, the next resistor next to the IC blank, and also the jumper as blank, but I have connected those directly at the back because my power supply does not need any extra resistor. Now we'll check it. First we'll give the power supply to the VCC and ground, and now we put a jumper on the tank and connect it to the ground, to the zero level. Now we have connected the tank to the overflow, and now the overflow light is on. When the tank wire touches different levels, different LEDs light up. It shows that the level of the water in the tank. These lights will light up in a sequence and will go on as a sequence. So if the tank is half full, then the 0, 1/4 and the half will all three light up together. Similarly, if the tank is full, then all the lights except the overflow will light up. So it will give a bar graph like picture as depending on the level of the water or any fluid in the tank. I hope you have liked this video. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe, and do click the bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching it.